What are some challenges faced in implementing effective waste management system, particularly in developing countries?
Implementing effective waste management system, especially in developing countries, face numerous challenges. This includes limited financial resources, lack of infrastructure, collection system, treatment facilities, inadequate waste segregations practices, rapid urbanization leading to increased waste generation and limiting public awareness. Weak enforcement of regulation, lack of skills, personnel, and technological limitation also hinder progress. Addressing these challenges requires a multi-faceted approach involving government policies, private sector's investment, community engagement, and technological invention. Di ba yung makita?
What role does involvement play in effective waste management?
Community involvement is crucial for successful waste management. Public awareness campaigns educate residents about proper waste disposal practices, segregation, recycling, reducing waste generation, and the environmental consequences of improper waste management. Community-based initiatives like composting programs, waste reduction workshops, and citizen science projects and significantly improve waste management outcomes. Active participation from local communities ensures the sustainability of waste management programs and promotes a sense of shared responsibility.
How does improper waste management impact the environment and human health?
Improper waste management significantly harms the environment and human health. Landfills release greenhouse gases, methane, carbon dioxide contributing to climate change. From landfills can contaminate soil and groundwater, impacting water quality and ecosystems. Improperly disposed waste can attract disease vectors, rats, flies, increasing the risk of infectious diseases. Burning waste releases harmful air pollutants, contributing to respiratory problems and other health issues. Plastic pollution in oceans and waterways poses and threats to marine life and ultimately the food chain.